is going to be short and sweet. Going back to the i29 dragway with the S10. The only thing I changed was the converter. One in it was too loose. I bought another one off of Facebook. It was used. It's supposed to be a Summit nitrous converter, 3500 stall. We'll go see what it does. But I did get the converter for the S10 I'm going to put in it. This should be tighter than the one that's in it. So we'll do that as soon as we're finished with this, and we can back her outside and bring the S10 in and plan on going racing Friday if everything works out good. Here's the converter that was in the S10. I replaced it with that Summit nitrous converter, and we'll go see what she does. And apparently I got somebody calling me. sitting in the ramp truck, gonna go over a few of the time slips. It's so frickin' windy outside. I can't talk. I guess I can talk, but wind's blowing so much, probably wouldn't hear me. So I hopped in the truck and we'll take a look at the time slips. I picked out the 2 fastest, excuse me, times. Find a place here where the sun ain't glaring so bad. Stick it down the seat here. 2 fastest times. Just foot braking it. No nitrous. 15860, 715 at 9516. This was actually my fastest pass. 1560 60-foot time. 7120 at 9552. Which you can see the 60-foot times picked up and even the mile an hour picked up. That stall converter, that Summit nitrous converter, works good. I like the way it works. It seems just about perfect for it. Now the nitrous passes, which weren't really ideal. The bottle was cold. I don't even know how much nitrous is in it. Probably not much. That's not me on this side. That is me, 149 60-foot time. Definitely better 60-foot time. 665 103. Didn't hook the greatest, but can't complain, I guess. And here's my second nitrous pass where it did not hook at all. 157. That's where 60-foot time and off motor. 681 102 mile an hour, dropped off a little bit probably because the bottle's cold. Here was my last nitrous pass. 146 60-foot time. It got better, and I believe it was better because the bottle was getting cold and there's not much pressure in it. Around 661 102.85. I got a bunch of passes. The rudder definitely better. That was worth the change. I'm gonna change some stuff for next week. I'm gonna try to get a 7.0. I believe it'll do it. I have no idea. If I could get a 6.9, that would be great. I'll see you next week.